Today, I'd like to introduce you to Wilson's Promontory, which is one of the most loved places in Victoria. The Wilson's Promontory is located at the southernmost tip of mainland in Australia. And the main reason I choose these places for camping is that most of my child are already grown up enough, so I thought it would be great if we can have adventure in different places, in each single day. So maybe the Wilson's Promontory is one of the best places for shopping, kayaking, but most importantly, in many different levels, so I can choose the kind of different level or type for my children. So I try to prepare the most of food prepared properly in order to provide whole my family nutrition, even through the most simplest way of cooking, so we can have more fun with less hassle. And I try to minimize the time consuming in the tent except for sleeping. So let's make some fun. 괜찮아.
Just down for the day, or?
Actually, I'm heading to the Stockyard Campground.
Stockyard Campground, yeah.
Is the right direction, everyone?
Yeah. So you're gonna go back
that way, isn't it? Yeah.
Back up there on your left.
Once I set down camp on there, probably I'm going to back to here again for the trekking, maybe. Do you have any information booklet or something like that?
Yeah. So that one's an information guide. Do you have your car permit printed?
No. For the Stockyard.
For Stockyard?
I got an email on my phone, if you want it. Do you want to show me that?
Yeah, I'll print you off a car permit just so you don't get a ticket.
Yep. Yeah, 나왔습니다. 캠사이트 넘버 1이었을 거야. 여기가 넘버가 있니?
원에서 20이라고 써있잖아. 돼. 여긴가 본데?
여긴 3고 잠깐 그럼 저게 넘버 1인가? 잠깐 기다려봐.
몇이야?
I think so.
So we just finally arrived our camping site, Stockyard Camping Ground. So it's time to set up for a new home in new places. It makes me always exciting, be honestly. I don't have any kind of a lot of hassle because most of the gear that I'm using in here is very simple to set it up. The first one is RV5 that I'm using for my wife and 3 children, and that is awesome for me always because the frame are actually embedded inside of the whole canvas. So all I need to do is unfold and bring it up, and the pitch is so much easy like that. The second one that I'm using for my family is hex screen tent from OG Tent. This is just perfect for the whole my family, to provide the whole my family for the feeding area. It takes just 2 minutes, literally. The third one is the loom awning out of the awning tent for my first one and me, and it is absolutely amazing just because I can stand up like the normal loom. And finally, I just need to set it up this solar panel to provide whole my family enough electricity with this amazing powerhouse. This is the one that I can bring always with my camping site.
여기 스톡야드에서 티달 리버까지 간 다음에 여기에 필라 포인트가 있네. 일단은 여기까지 가고. 그렇게 하면 와, 여기 카약 타기 진짜 좋겠다. 이야.
아빠 포트 가져왔어요?
이야, 이건 좀 다른데 뭔가가? 여기다 세워놓으면 될 것 같은데. 여기 근처에 세워야 될 것 같아. 토일렛, 뭐 일단 시원하다. 프리 셔틀버스. 아, 이게 프리 셔틀버스 있구나. 네. 진짜 like I said, the river boating free fishing event for the family and the campers. Monday. 자, 먹고 싶은 거 하나씩 잡아봐. 들어가. 오. 리턴이. 아. 다시 가면 그냥 두개 합니다. 오죠. 야. 오, 시원하다. 야, 이거 진짜 시원해, 야나. 예서 일로 와봐. 여기 있다. 물고기 피쉬. 저기 피쉬. 오, 피쉬. Can you see that? See that? 여기 다 물고기야, 여기. 아, 다시 걸어서 트레킹 따라 갈 거야. 폴 2개랑 우리 거 그 뭐지 타프 있잖아, 실버 타프 갖고 저렇게 할 수 있어. 핀 4개. 발 아프다. 천천히. 그래. 여기 이게 이벤트야. 윌슨 스프런스 내셔널 파크에서 Monday 14th to Friday 18th 2019에 이벤트 있는 거랑. 이거 좀 찍게. 현이 와. 갈게. 누구 있니? 맞아.
the first days are done. Super hungry, so basically we spend a whole day for getting the places and find some of the information from the Tidal River, which is one of the most important place to get the right information for your next journey. And the first the trekking course was Norman Bay East, I believe, and it took me about 2 hours, about 5 kilometers something. The beach was just amazing, and something I realized that is, you know what, this place is just full of adventure. Probably 3 night 4 day will not just enough, so I need to really be rushed to sleep for tomorrow. Good night.